Is Swagbucks a legit way to make some extra cash online, or is it a scam to stay away from? Hi, this is V from Make Money Online, and today I'll give you a full guided tour of this platform so that you can decide whether it is worth your time or not. If this is the first time you have come to my channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you never miss an update about tips and tricks on how to make money online. Let's jump into the video. So let's begin with even who can join this website. Swagbucks is available worldwide, but it is being said that it has more number of opportunities in English speaking countries. There are certain offers which are not available worldwide. So it is being said that it has more opportunities in the English speaking countries, but as much as I have tested this website, it has decent number of opportunities for everyone. So I would recommend this website that it is available worldwide. Okay, so now let's talk about the earning opportunities available on this website. So the first thing Swagbucks offer is paid surveys. So I personally think that paid surveys are a great way to make some extra money. And here generally you see on survey sites that there is a paid survey tab, but here you have to click on this answer surveys and earn. So here you have the gold surveys. Not always surveys will be available here, but generally it depends on your location, but most of the time they definitely have some good surveys, and you have to be patient because not for all surveys you are going to qualify. Apart from that, they do have this Peanut Lab surveys as well. And generally Peanut Lab surveys are very high paying surveys. So currently like 15 minutes it will give me 22 SBs. What each SB is worth is like 1 SB is worth 1 cent. Apart from that, Swagbucks do offer some swag ups. What are swag ups are? Like for example, for completing one particular survey, like for example if you consider this survey in Peanut Lab, which is giving me 22 points in 15 minutes. So for that survey, like here you are receiving 22 SB for 15 minutes. So during the time of Swagbucks, you will, instead of earning just 22, you will earn 33 SBs. That means 11 SBs as a bonus, which is a great amount. Okay, apart from that, you can get cashback when shopping. So for that they have their extension which is safe. You need not to worry and never miss a cashback opportunity with this swag button. So what you have to do is you have to add the swag button. You have to click here and you'll get a 25 SB bonus as well for adding this to your PC. So here you can add it to Chrome. You have to click on add to Chrome and I'll show you. I'll add the extension. I've already received a 25 SB bonus, but if you are adding it, you do get all the cashbacks and other information. Like it is downloading, as you can see. I'll show you exactly how it works. So the swag button has been added, and as you can see now has been added, and now it will give me the tutorial like earn 10% cashback. So these cashback opportunities are here. So that's it. That's how you can add the swag button. Okay, apart from that, if I talk about other earning opportunities, here are there is like searching the web also. Like for example, we always do surf on internet. So instead of doing in your normal browser, you have the Swagbucks browser where you can search anything, like for example Amazon or anything, like just normal surfing you can do, and you will earn some amount of SBs from here as well. So which is a very decent option. Okay, apart from that, they do offer some videos as well, which is not, again, which won't be available everywhere, but yes, they do have the videos option as well. Like if you click on discover home, I'll show you. They do have some decent number of offer walls as well, like revenue survey wall, AdGate Media, AdSend Media, and there are a lot more offers as well, like paid offers. Like for example, this app, if you install it, sign up offers as well, you will earn 600 SB, and some simple just normal offers like installing this for iOS, for Android device as well. There are a lot of opportunities as well. Quiz, so whatever you want you can complete it. And if we talk about the video opportunity, we have AdSend Media, And in other locations there will be other opportunities as well for videos section. If you like watching videos you can earn, but not a huge amount you will earn. Like this, currently this is available. Okay, and apart from that you can earn by playing games as well. There is one Swago going on, Swago app, which you can install and you will earn a 200 bonus. And after that, by installing the swag button, you also get updates about the swag codes. So here you can add the swag code, which is generally worth 4 or 5 SBs. You just don't have to do anything. You will get a notification from your swag button, which you have extension, which you have installed, and from there you can enter the swag code there. Okay, and if we talk about other earning opportunities in this, here you can just upload your receipts, in-store details, and then you will earn some rewards for it. Okay, and apart from that, how you can earn is you can earn by inviting friends as well. So you'll get 10% of their lifetime earnings. So that's what you can earn it. And you have 100 SB bonus as well if your friends just add the swag button in their laptops. But I will recommend this swag button because it is pretty safe, as well as you can see, like, you will get a lot more earning opportunities with this swag button. Okay, apart from that, I want to tell you about this daily bonus, which is also nice. Like, for example, if you click on daily poll, I'll show you. So here you have to just answer this one question, just one question, and you'll earn an SB. Okay, so if you are completing 4 items from this list, daily search means only one search you have to do, and deal of the day also you can do just by clicking on it and it will be completed. So if you're completing 4 items, then you will receive 2 SBs, and if you are completing all the items, you will receive 7 SBs. Okay, and apart from that, if you are earning, like for example, if you're earning 40 SB in a day, then you will receive 3 SBs. And if you are completing 76 SB, then you will receive 2 more SBs, that is 5 SB bonus. Apart from that, if you are completing this daily goal regularly, then after 7 days you will earn 25 bonus SB. Like for example, here you can see currently my streak is 5 days. I have completed this daily goal for continuous 5 days. So I need to complete it for 2 more days. Then I will receive a 25 point SB bonus. And this swag ups, you have to keep track of swag ups. Swag ups are like anything if they are giving any extra things. And also they have this swag stakes entries. You have giveaways. You can have one entry here, which is also great. Okay, if we talk about the payout methods which they are offering, so we do have some great payout methods as well. As you can see that I have been paid so many times. PayPal $10. So if we go to the reward store, you can see the payout methods here. So you will receive 500 Flipkart gift voucher with 800 SBs, and with 1000 SBs you can earn $10 cashback, and you can do some charity as well. As you can see, I am eligible for this $10 cashback as I have more than 1000 SBs in my account. Okay, and apart from that, if we see here, now let's talk about the payment proof. I'll show you the payment proof as well for this website. As you can see in my inbox that I have received $10 USD from Swagbucks, and this payment I've received quite a few times. So my final verdict is that yes, Swagbucks is a legit way to make some extra cash online, and I highly recommend this site. And I literally don't think that it is it is worth joining if you are living in an English speaking country only. It is worthwhile no matter the country you live in. It is available worldwide and you can join it. As just you see now, when we were starting this video, no survey was available, but now in 22 minutes 67 SB surveys available. So all in all, Swagbucks is a decent way to earn some extra cash online, but you have to be patient because not for all surveys you are going to qualify. My final verdict is it is a legit website. So thanks for watching this video.